What's going on YouTube? This is Stacy with Sandtrans LLC, where we are driving for financial freedom. And I'm back again with another dope video here on 9/15/2020, almost at the end of the year. And I want to drop this video how you could possibly make an extra $1,000 a week in your trucking business. And this is information that's based on my experience being in the hotshot business and what we find to be true doing our discussions. But how can you make an extra $1,000 a week? That's what the video is about. And it all starts with you, if you are owner operator driver, or if you have a driver out there. But it's about being prompt to the pickup and delivery sites. If you can get to the delivery site, as my cousin, aka Motec Transportation always says, if you can get there when they turn the key, basically be at the job site before they open. Okay, you waiting on them, you're the first in line. What that gives you is a lot of opportunity, because in the trucking industry, a lot of times a driver gets jammed up, waiting to get unloaded a lot of times. Sometimes there's not people there to load him. Sometimes they don't have the equipment to unload him. And what that causes is you to be delayed. And time is the most valuable tool you have in life and in this trucking industry. So the more time you have, the more opportunities you have. So case in point, if you got to that location and you were unable to unload your truck just like that, maybe 20-30 minutes top, well, because you're out of there, now you're open to receive more loads. It opens up your dispatcher to find you more freight, find you better freight. You don't have to take the first thing that's out there. You can kind of pick and choose what you want. Say, for instance, you got there late. Instead of 8 o'clock, you got there at 12:30. And you had all that opportunity. Who knows what happened? You got stuck in traffic. You had a flat tire, or you just flat out late. You just didn't bother to get up and get there early enough. You know what I'm saying? To catch the freight early. Well, you get there at 12:30. Okay, now it takes you an hour and a half to get unloaded. So 12:30, you're an hour and a half. You're at 2 o'clock. Around 2 o'clock, a lot of shippers shut down at 3. They won't load anymore at 3 o'clock. So the opportunity for the dispatcher to get you another load, or the chances of a broker hook you up with some more freight, is very small. So the window has closed. So right there, because that window's closed, you just missed an extra load. And that's a big opportunity there, because in this business, a load could be anywhere from $1,000 to $2,400, depending on what type of freight, you're running. So our deal now is to get there as early as possible to grab the freight or to deliver your freight, and that will get you an extra $1,000. Depending on how you run it, but for us, it's $1,000 minimum a week that we would lose if we didn't get there and get that load off. And that's $1,000 a week. That's $4,000 a month. That's 48 grand a year. And you can allocate that 48,000 to either another truck, trailer, maintenance, pay increase for the driver, pay increase, bonuses for everyone in the company. So it's a crucial part. Another thing, by you getting the freight off early, it puts a lot of pressure on the dispatcher to find you some freight. So if the dispatcher always know that you're going to be on time, that's going to put pressure on him to always put you first. So if you got a dispatcher that's running 6 or 7 trucks, and you're crying about, you can't get any work, or you got to sit at the truck stops and things of that nature, one way to beat that is to Get that freight off. You get the freight off. Hey, look, man, I'm on my way to the job site. It's 7 o'clock. I know they don't open till 8, but I'm gonna be there at 7:30. So when they turn the key, I'm first in line. You need to have something for me because I'm gonna be ready to go. And another positive thing about starting early is you finish early. So if you like to spend a lot of time at home with the family, or if you got things you have to do on the weekend, well, look, if you get out early, you get back early. So keep that in mind. So if you start early, you done really by Thursday. You done made $5,000-$6,000 by then, and then anything after that is just cherry on the top. So you may be able to catch a load. If you're headed home, just grab a load, head home, drop it off on Friday morning, and you're done. So you got Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you off, relaxing. And then another good thing is it gives you opportunity. Say for instance, if you don't get the load off on Friday, well, you could leave Sunday afternoon. So you can drive, take your time on Sunday, Monday morning, boom, do the same thing again. Get there early, turn the key, and then once you get rolling, you catch that extra load every week. So the moral of the story is don't start late. That's the moral of the story. Get to your appointments before time, because if you're on time, that means you're late. So that's my thought for today here at Sandtrans LLC, where we driving for financial freedom. If you think this information could help you in any way, click the like button. If you think we've helped you or benefit you or have benefited you in the future, you're not a subscriber, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell. That way you can get alerts on every time we post a video and so on and so forth. And also check us out on Instagram at Sandtrans Hotshot, and we're also on Facebook at Sandtrans LLC. So that's my video for now. You guys have a great day. Keep pushing, keep driving. The freight rates are great right now, so hey man, get it all while you can. We're coming into the slow season in December. We're gonna see how it goes. Hopefully it won't be a slow season. We'll see. All right, man, y'all take it easy. This is Stacy signing out.